The trained cook. Wow. Wow. Cooking it up. Kicking it up.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Wow, very nice.